Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangude, Assistant Professor AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on MIS of Food and Beverage. The full form of MIS is Management Information System. Let us understand more detail about Management Information System of Food and Beverage. What are the objectives of this topic? By the end, students will be able to learn more detail about Management Information System. To know about the different types of reports which is prepared in a management information system. Student can also understand various costs which is implemented in food and beverage department. Introduction. The management information system concept has been understood and described in a number of ways in last 2 decades. It is commonly known as information system. The information and decision system, the computer-based information system. Management information system as an integrated system of man and machine for providing the information to support operations, the management and decision making functions in the organization. Utility of management information system assists the managers in planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling operations of an organization. Planning, control and operation is the important part for management information system. Information report. The role of management information system was to process data from the organization and presents in the form of reports at regular intervals. And the system was largely capable of handling the data from the collection to processing. These days, MIS is a necessity of all the organization. The individuals could pick and choose the processed data and use it for their requirements. This concept was modified when a distinction was made between data and information. The information is a product of an analysis of data, and this concept is similar to a raw material and the finished dish and ready to be served. The data can be analyzed in a number of ways, producing a different shades and specification of the information as a product. And this call for keeping all data together in such a form that it can be assessed by one and all and can be processed to suit their need. An MIS report is the planned system of collecting, processing, storing and disseminating data in the form of information needed to carry out the functions of management. Continue with this. Management information system assists managers in planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling operation of an organization. Documents which present focused silent content to a specific people, and the reports are often used to display the result of investigations or inquiry. Following reports are considered like financial analysis report, budget report, accounting report. There are the following reports are considered in MIS: audit report, sales report department wise, consolidated revenue analysis, multiple reports, stores, receiving, HR, accounts, security, and all the major departments can maintain reports and record through this system. Preparation of budget on the basis of initial data retrieved from the system. There will be a report of consumptions, cashier summary, void and cancellations report, cover analysis, popularity by menu item, settlement report, in-house guest directory and spoilage report, etc. Format reports are here. Like you can see here, cashier summary report. The format is like this, where you can have outlet, hotel XYZ, the hotel name, date has to be mentioned there. Then it is comprises of bill number, table number, covers, net total, taxes implemented, gross total, food, non-alcohol if you are serving, alcohol, tobacco, whatever the extra is there mentioned, and the guest whether they are paying by cash or credit or it is going into room account. Inventory report. An inventory report is a summary of a retailer's existing stock. It distills detail like how much stock you have, which products are selling fastest, category performance, and other information about the status and performance of inventory. Spoilage report. Here you can see the date, time, item description with quantity, unit, cost of unit, and total cost with remark. It is generally recorded by the person who is in charge of that report and signed by the supervisor. Continue. Capable of handling voluminous data, multidimensional analysis can be done, quick search and retrieval of system can be done. So, process data, information, and then it is converted into a database. Planning and control activities also can carried out by this particular MIS system. The planning and control activities with the productions, marketing, finance, in fact in a personal level, which changes in our organization structure, determine the promotions and transfers, determining for preparing a duty rosters. For production, it will help for locations of the new factory, determining the product mix and scheduling the specific job. For a marketing, it will helpful for entering a new markets, media planning and sales planning. For finance, raising capital, determine the credit level and determinations action can be taken by MIS report. Calculation of actual cost. One method of calculating product cost for a business is called the actual cost, actual output method. Using this technique, we can consider as the actual cost, which may have the higher or lower than the budgeted cost for the year, and then it is divided the actual output for the year. This calculation is used for the business. Daily food cost. All food costs can be categorized as either direct or indirect. The total cost for these two are the two basic components of the daily food cost. As discussed, directs are charged to food cost and received. Therefore, to determine food cost for any given day, one must know the total of direct receipts on that day. Determining the daily food cost. Stores purchases are added to inventory and changed to the food cost when it is issued. One must determine the value of stores issued on that particular given day each day to obtain the second principal components of food cost for that day. If all foods issued from inventory are listed on requisition, the determination is not very difficult. One merely prices and extends each requisition for foods issued on that day and then adds the total for all requisition to obtain the total cost of stores issued. Monthly food cost. Monthly food cost determination is very important, which includes opening inventory plus purchases equal to a total available minus closing inventory equals to a cost of food. The major problem of monthly food cost alone in the length of the time between reports. It can reveal any problems promptly and corrective action can be taken promptly. This will also help the management to identify any situation and can act with the situation immediately without needing to wait until the end of the year. This may be too late already. Monthly food cost report shows food cost, food sales, and food cost percentage for any specific month. Compares the figure to those for similar period. It provides means for monitoring the effectiveness of efforts to maximize gross revenue. Revenue report, cumulative and non-cumulative. This reports contains detailed information in the form of text, tables and notes on all the taxes and duties for which the Office of the Revenue Commissioners is responsible. For example, for things mentioned in the statistical report. For example, like total revenue, excise, stamp duties, capital acquisition tax, residential property tax, income distribution statistics, corporation tax distribution statistics, capital tax gains and value added tax. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic. The link provided in the description of the YouTube video. If you have any kind of query or question related with this video, please let me know. My email ID has given in a previous slide, and we will meet you in a next session with more detailing about this topic. Thank you so much. Once again, have a great time. Bye-bye. Take care. Please find below mentioned references are given for this video.